Real nature! Look at all this grass. It smells so good. There's snakes. I'm gonna climb up this tree branch. Hey, I'm on the tree branch. Whoa, whoa. Is that a bird? It is a bird. You're tweeting. Oh, yeah, I forgot that was not a bird. There are birds flying over there. Look at that tree house right there. It's so weird looking. White butterfly. It's a white butterfly. In fact, white butterflies are really rare. I'm gonna bring this bird out because it's a bird. Whee! Look at this, I'm flying all over the place. Whee! Real nature. White butterfly went all the way. And hey guys, look. Flowers. Beautiful flowers. The leaves feed the fall. So beautiful. Looks like an animal's habitat. And look at that colorized truck that went by. And look at the water tower. We are rats. Wait a minute. What if I like see close body picture? Whoa. I'm not so very smooth looking in this. Yeah, I get it, y'all. Even me zoomed in. Yeah. Tripping. Oh man. It's coming off like that. But I still love nature. Whee! That's nature.